It's actually a welded flange. Obviously at CB&I in Houston there is where they're doing fabrication. So what they're going to do is they're going to hang this flange and mount it to this pipe. Okay? So it's important that this flange is plumb or perpendicular to the floor. So we have this adjustment here. This lifting eye is threaded, so its location adjusts back and forth here. All right. I'll show you an improvement we made to make it easier to adjust here in a second. Here is the final version, and again, there's that handle. It's kind of like what you'd have on a bench vise, so they can do it manually. We're going to leave the nut in place too, so if it's too hard to turn, they can still put a wrench on it. Some of the features that I can tell you about is, first of all, these ends here do two things. They hold these retainer clips, but also they help align bolt holes. So if, again, we're doing two things. We're either installing a blind flange or a cap, or we're in fabrication holding a flange for welding. If I'm installing a blind flange, I got to align holes so I can put bolts in, right? So these ends are designed to help align that. The idea with these clips is that they're very thin. They're what retains the flange to the lifter. The lifter rests, the holes in the lifter rest here and here. Okay. These locking knobs are loosened. These are threaded rods, and you basically turn that rod to either extend or retract this. Okay. So you install the lifter on the flange. You move that out, put the clip down over the rod behind the bullet or the nose there, and then you turn it backwards so it clamps against, and then you lock this knob. Okay, so that's kind of how it works. Kind of hard to explain, but again, you can see it in this picture here how it attaches.